Hi, Ricky. Hi, Wilbur. Hey. You want some cake? You want some cake? How about you, Princess? Princess? Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come on. Get you some cake. Go ahead. Get you some, baby. Don't be scared. There you go. Birthday cake. You ever seen a turkey eat a birthday cake? Now you have. I'm Princess. We have sad news here at Country Critters. We have lost Lucy. We don't know what happened to her. She goes off, and we thought she was sitting on another nest of eggs, but apparently not. We haven't seen her for a couple weeks. So Lucy, we believe, is gone. No. So. You done with the birthday cake? Huh, Princess? What do you think, Wilbur? There's Wilbur. Hi, Wilbur. Hi, buddy. Got me where I can't. Well, you got to see a turkey eat a piece of cake. Thanks for watching from Country Critters. Hi, Uno. There's the babies. They're not babies anymore. They're big, ain't they, Uno? They're big, ain't they, Uno? Hi, baby. Usually you chase them baby turkeys, don't you? Why ain't you chasing them? Too hungry? Come on, baby. Wilbur chasing Ricky. There's a couple of babies being chased by Princess. And there's a couple more babies being chased by Cinnamon. They're all just running around chasing each other. Look how big them babies are. And they think that they're still the boss. Princess, you're not the boss of them anymore. They're bigger than you. Look how big that baby is. Wilbur, here, catch. You didn't catch, Wilbur. And that's our ferocious dog, Jack. Hi, Jack. Oh, buddy. Can't get you on video if you keep going after my shoes, Jack. There he is. There's Jack. There's Jack. That's the ferocious dog you guys hear on the videos. He lets us know when anybody's around. Our guard dog. Hi, guys. Hi, Wilbur. Hi, guys. Hi, Ricky. Hi, Cinnamon. Hi, Wilbur. Good morning. Oh, Uno's out here running around. Let's go check her out. Hi, Uno. Hi, Uno. Hi, Uno. You know Uno? I know Uno. There she is. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Ah, baby. Oh no. Got one of your feathers in your mouth. You primping? You primping? Here, baby. That's how you got your feather in your mouth, huh? Cleaning yourself up. There's Uno. Here, let me get it. There we go. You got it, huh? Well, you're done dancing. When you seen me, you was going crazy. Wanted to say hi, huh? Is that it? You just gonna dance for me? You ain't gonna do no more? That's it? You ain't gonna do nothing else? Dinosaur. Okay, Uno. I thought you was gonna do some more dancing. There's our babies. There's our babies. They are gigantic. Look at that, bigger than Princess. There's our babies. You chase them babies all over, don't you, baby? Yes, you do. You chase them all over. Hi, baby. Hi, Princess. They're bigger than you now, ain't they? You still boss them around. Them babies are bigger than Wilbur and bigger than Ricky. They're bigger than all of them now except for you, baby. Alright, we gotta feed everybody. We'll get you some food, huh? Gonna chase them around? Huh? Alright, well, I'll get you some food. Thanks for watching from Country Critters. Today at Country Critters, we're giving the baby some lasagna type stuff. Linguine or something, I don't know what it is, but it was left in the refrigerator and the turkeys love it. And these are the babies. They are gigantic. They're bigger than the full-grown turkeys already. Turkeys eating Italian. You guys sure do like that stuff. Heck, I think you liked it better than we did. I did like that stuff though. Well, Princess and Wilbur and Ricky and Cinnamon have come back to get their share. No, Princess likes it. She's had it before. Think you just got a bug off my back, didn't you, baby? Thank you. One of the baby turkeys just got a bug off my back. Gonna get you some, Ricky? We're just gonna push them on. You're pecking me. Hey, you can't do that. Hey, you can't peck me like that. Well, now you spilled my coffee. You're not even gonna try it? All right. I got turkeys all around me. Hi. You keep pecking my hand. Tell me they don't look like dinosaurs. My babies. My babies. Thanks for watching, Country Critters. Hi, guys. Hi, Wilbur. Hi, Ricky. Princess. And there's Daisy. Hi, Daisy. How are you guys this morning? Huh? Raining. How come you guys gotta be in the flower bed? Nobody talking? No excuses? Alright, I'll let it go this time. Walk on through, Ricky. You're pretty there with them flowers behind you. Well, you guys ain't being exciting. Either way, good morning. Good morning.